What is good, YouTube? It's your boy DwillTv, and I'm back with a banger video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to get curly hair for 4C hair, man, woman, whoever. It should work for like that tighter 4C type curl. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it. First, you wanna shampoo and condition your hair. When you're conditioning, make sure you detangle with the white tooth comb. I'm gonna show you like right now. A white tooth comb is wide and it's not gonna put your hair out too much, at least, you feel me? Unless you got like bad tangles or something like that. And then when you get out the shower, you wanna make sure your hair is still wet. Make sure it's dripping. I know it's kind of annoying and I hate it. That's the one thing I hate about like doing this. And if you do dry your hair with the towel, like don't use no cotton towels. I hear they say like use cotton t-shirts. Try to use like a microfiber towel. I feel like that's good, but I don't even dry it. I just let it air dry, you feel me? Cause I just don't need that damage to my hair. So once you're at the shower, you wanna first you take a piece of what am I saying? A piece of hair, and then you detangle it, and then you put leave-in while you try to detangle it. Don't detangle it without any product. You detangle the rat tail comb, you detangle it with the leave-in, and then you get your curling cream. I'm gonna show you. This is the leave-in I'm talking about. Yeah. The curling cream, you can get any type of products, whatever your budget wants you to do. You put the curling cream and then you just finger coil, and then it comes out like that. Right now my hair is dry and you see the curls, you feel me? It works, you feel me? So, and then once you do that to your whole hair, I would suppose you're doing it to your whole hair. You sleep on it, and then you wake up the next morning, and then before wherever you're about to go, you wet your hair with. What is good, guys? I forgot to tell y'all something. Before you wet your hair, unravel all the finger coils, and then you wet your hair, and then you do what I say. All right, thank you. I'm out. Peace. Water. I use a spray bottle. Let me show y'all. I use this, you just spray it. Let's go. You spray it, and then you just rub it in your hair, wake your hair up, you feel me, open your pores up, cause like, depending on what type of gel you use or whatever you're gonna use next, you don't want it to like flake and give like white stuff. Oh yeah, and the night before, it's gonna be like white. If you're like using white products, it's gonna dry in, so you ain't gotta worry about that. And then once you wet your hair and you like mix it in with your hair and stuff, you wanna put in like a gel or something. I use a mousse because like my hair doesn't react well to gel. Like I like that soft type feel for my curls. I don't like that hard feeling, and it's sometimes flake when I use a gel. So yeah, and then you shake your hair or whatever. When you're wet, my hair doesn't like shake, but it moves a little, just a little, you feel me? You shake and then you can go out, you feel me? And then you got the curls. It's your boy DwillTv. Like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, I got y'all. Just put it down in the comments below and I'll make more videos. And that's it, and I'm out. Peace.